Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start on a new chat in ChatGPT. As you can see, I have a chat that is continuing here, and I would like to begin a new one and not a continuation of this. To begin a new chat in ChatGPT, all you need to do is to head over to the top left and click on New Chat. You will find a new window open where you can begin a whole new conversation different from the previous one. Go ahead and ask your question and then click on this button to get your responses. If you want to go to any of your previous conversations, just go on the left bar and you'll find a history of all your conversations that you had created before. And just identify one of them and it will open. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.